skola nära Stockholm?
No, that's not. No. Sorry, once again, please.
Are you in America?
No. Are you in Northern Europe?
Yes.
Sorry.
Are you in Norway?
Are you near Dalby? No.
Okay, who has a question?
West Island.
Yes.
West is that way.
Är du nära Malmö?
Answer in English. Are we close to Malmö?
Yes. Little.
Yes.
Little.
Are you in Akranes? Akranes.
Are you in Simrishamn?